The future of electric vehicles. What happens when federal tax credits disappear? On July 3, 2025, a significant tax and spending reduction bill was approved by Congress, an event that also marks the end of federal tax incentives for electric vehicles. So, electric car enthusiasts have until September 30th to still claim those coveted federal tax benefits. But here's where it gets controversial. Experts still find ample reasons to consider purchasing an electric car, even without these financial perks. Prior to the bill's approval, one of the key attractions of buying a new electric vehicle was the generous $7,500 federal tax credit. And even the used EVs could earn up to $4,000 in tax benefits. These incentives played a vital role in making EVs financially accessible. According to the data from Kelley Blue Book, on average, a new electric vehicle costs approximately $9,000 more than a comparable new gasoline car. Similarly, a used electric vehicle is about $2,000 pricier than its gasoline equivalent. Tax credits and accompanying state incentives previously helped to narrow this cost difference. Without these benefits, specialized advocacy groups like Plug in America warn that EVs may become unaffordable for many families with lower and middle incomes. But here's the silver lining. While the initial purchase cost of an electric car might be higher, those who have the financial means to invest and still enjoy significant savings over the lifespan of the vehicle. This is because, though electric cars don't cost less upfront, they save money in the long run due to lower fuel and maintenance expenses. Senior Policy Director Ingrid Malmgren explains that even without federal incentives, the financial and environmental benefits of an electric vehicle remain compelling in every state. And this is the part most people miss. Although electric cars typically have a higher upfront cost, they tend to be cheaper to operate. Malmgren notes that the savings on fuel and maintenance can quickly add up, making the EV the better investment over time. A study published in 2020 revealed that drivers of electric vehicles in the U.S. could save around $7,700 in fuel costs over 15 years compared to using gasoline cars. Additionally, charging an EV during off-peak hours at home, especially in regions like Washington where electricity is cost-effective, can lead to over $14,000 in fuel savings over the same period. However, it's essential to acknowledge that the production of electric vehicles generally produces more pollution initially compared to conventional gasoline cars. Yet, the long-term advantage is clear. Once an EV accumulates roughly 15,000 miles, the overall emissions from manufacturing and driving the electric car become markedly lower than that of the gasoline vehicle. So, unless you're someone who replaces their car annually, choosing an electric vehicle adds up to a cleaner and more efficient mode of transport. Peter Slowick from the International Council on Clean Transportation puts it succinctly. Electric vehicles are inherently more efficient. A point worth pondering. According to a 2023 analysis from Yale Climate Connections, even in states that rely heavily on coal-fired electricity, electric cars still significantly reduce carbon emissions compared to their gasoline counterparts. For instance, a Tesla Model Y or Model 3 can travel over 100 miles on the energy equivalent to just 1 gallon of gasoline. This remarkable efficiency puts electric vehicles at a clear advantage when it comes to using energy more efficiently and sustainably. What do you think? Are federal tax incentives essential in making EVs accessible to everyone? Or is the long-term environmental and financial benefit enough to sustain the growth of electric vehicles? Share your thoughts in the comments below.